Hey guys, so welcome to week 2 deep dive, but we're going to go ahead and change our score. So right now our score is right over here, and it's just a floating piece of code that's given to us by Scratch, but we're going to make our actual artwork for our score. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and hover over the choose a sprite, and I click on the paint tool, and we're going to go ahead and change this sprite to be called ones. So these are all the placement when it comes to numbers. So for example, if you have the number 100, there's a ones place, a tens place, and a hundreds place. And that's how we're going to be creating it this time around. So this is a different version or a different way in order to create the same thing that we've done in other games before, just a newer way that you guys have not seen. So to begin, we're going to go ahead and change this costume to costume 0. And make sure you're using the numbers and not actually spelling it out. So for costume 0, I'm going to go ahead and go into my text tool. I want to pick the color. I want to pick my actual font for it. And then with my text tool, I'm going to go ahead and click on 0. And I'm going to make it bigger. Okay. Might even shrink it just a little bit. So something about that is good. If you guys want to do more to it, you can customize the outline, you can draw stuff around it, you can do pretty much whatever you guys want to this. But once you're done, you're going to go ahead and duplicate this costume, and it's going to jump to costume 2, but we're going to change this to costume 1. And then with our text tool, we're also going to change this number to a 1 as well. I'm going to go ahead and snap it back to the center. And then I'm going to duplicate and repeat the process. Okay. Now, as I'm repeating the process of changing the number, making sure it's in the center, and then duplicating it to start all over, other things that you guys can do is, even though you see me using the same color for every number, you do not need to do this. You can always change the numbers. That does not matter. Again, it just depends on how you want your score to be seen on your game. So that's really all that really matters. Okay. And you're going to continue this until you make it to the number 9. Okay, one more. Okay. So once you get all the way to number 9, then the next step is going to be to code it.